Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I thought it would be really fun to do a day in the life of a YouTuber. So right now I have already gotten ready for the day. I made my bed, brushed my teeth, I had breakfast, and now I'm ready to start my YouTube stuff. So today is actually a filming day. So I'm actually going to first do a little bit of a cleanup and then we can start preparing for filming the YouTube video. So let's clean up my room a little bit. Okay, now that my room is nice and clean, we can start prepping for the YouTube video. So first, I'm actually going to put out my gear that I'm going to be using while filming on this table, so that we can have everything that I need when filming. So I'm going to use this light. This is like a portable light that I've been loving to use for my videos. And my table tripod. So I actually don't use a monitor anymore because I've been really liking, since my camera is so close to me when I'm filming, I feel like I don't really need a monitor. I do keep my computer next to me when I'm filming just for notes and stuff like that for the YouTube video. So I'm going to put that on the table as well. I think that's it for the gear. Now let's get into picking out what makeup products I'm going to be using for the YouTube video. Okay, now we have everything out. I'm actually going to be switching to my camera to film the rest of this video of when I'm going to be filming the YouTube video. So let's get started. Oh, I actually did want to mention these. These are buckle clips that I got from Amazon. They're so cool. I love using this just to quickly pull back my hair. So let's get into filming the YouTube video. Okay, so this is my setup right now. I have my Skinprep and makeup all laid out and ready. I have my little mini mirror that I like to use. It doesn't light up anymore because I think the batteries are dead. Because I have this light and I like this light so much. So I just use this for my lighting. And then we have my camera, brushes, and then my computer. So what I use my computer for, like I said, I don't really for my YouTube video script or any notes that I have or reference pictures that I have. So let's actually get into filming now. Something that I've been really liking to do is to take breaks when I'm filming. So it is almost 12 right now and I'm going to take maybe a 10-minute break. So I'll come back and finish up the rest of the YouTube video. I just finished filming the YouTube video. I have pretty much everything put away except for my light and my camera, because I'm going to film another video. So actually, and I'm also going to be filming Thursday's video. That's why I left all the stuff out. So it's actually lunchtime right now. So I'm going to be eating some lunch and then coming back and editing the video that I just filmed and refilming some videos for Vlogmas.
Okay, like I mentioned before, I use Notion to plan all my YouTube videos and pretty much plan my life. So I'm going to be going on the Notion app, or the desktop app really, and I'm going to go into the current video that I'm working on and I'm going to just check things off that I need to check off, and then I'm going to be going into the description section and I'm going to be preparing the description for the YouTube video for when I want to upload the YouTube video. Next, I am going to be linking the products that I want to link in the video, and now it's time to edit the YouTube video. So the first thing that I like to do when editing the YouTube video is I like to focus first on the sound. So I tweak the sound a little bit, and then if there's some framing issues, I do kind of also frame the the video as well. Today I didn't have any issues with that, so I skipped that. And now I'm going to be going through the entire video, kind of cutting out things that I don't want in the video. Then I'm going to watch the video completely through to see if there's any mistakes, and if there's any mistakes, I haven't exported it, so I can go back and correct those mistakes. I am also going to edit the thumbnail, so I've been loving to use Photoshop to edit my YouTube video, or edit my thumbnail. I was struggling with this placement of the photos a little bit this time, but usually I have just one photo that I like to use for my sit-down videos or for my makeup tutorials, and then I just do a little simple text, and then sometimes if I have multiple videos, I like to create like little borders. That didn't work this time. I don't know why. I have to figure out how to use the like rectangle things again. Editing everything. I have the thumbnail ready, I have the description ready, I have the actual clip for uploading to YouTube ready. So, and I refilmed the videos that I needed to refilm for Vlogmas. So this was my YouTuber day in the life. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!